Good afternoon, students. Last lecture we have seen about various types of stresses, okay, and the numericals on these stresses, okay. Now we will see about stress strain diagram for brittle material. So, number of times the question may be asked in exam. Explain or draw stress strain diagram for ductile materials stating silent points, okay, means summer 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, winter 16, 17 may be asked, okay. So figure shows the stress strain diagram, okay, by plotting strain on x-axis and stress on y-axis, okay. Here the OA represents proportional limit. Okay. Let's see what are these points called. OA is proportional limit, B elastic limit, C upper yield point, D lower yield point, E ultimate stress, and F breaking point or breaking stress. Okay. So from C on x-axis, from O to dash line, this is proportional limit, up to this region proportional limit, and from extension of this proportional limit is elastic limit, and from up to elastic limit this is last is plastic region. Okay, so this is stress strain diagram for your ductile material. Okay, so ductile material is what? So ductile material is a mild steel specimen. Okay, means figure shows a relationship between stress and strain when a mild steel specimen having uniform cross sectional area is subjected to gradually increasing tensile load up to fracture, and this tensile test is carried on UTM machine. Okay. Now let's see stress strain diagram for brittle material. Okay. So figure shows relationship between stress and strain when a brittle material subjected to the tensile strain. So brittle material means fail at relatively low strain. Okay. The example of brittle material is concrete, cast iron, aluminium. Okay. In figure, consider a specimen of harder material like cast iron. It will subjected to the load. Okay, and up to point A, it is a proportional limit. It means that there will be a continuous elongation of bar if it is loaded within proportional limit. Okay. In a such material, the elastic limit lies above proportionality limit, and as shown in figure, elastic limit is from point A to Y. Let's see in figure A to Y. Okay, means A to Y, it is your elastic limit. Okay, means, and after elastic limit the curve shows permanent deformation, that is material reaches plastic stage. Okay, means the best example of this brittle material is your clay. Okay, the different coloring clay, while you apply different shapes on different coloring clay, okay, then it will undergo a permanent stage. Okay, and therefore design of parts made of brittle material is based on ultimate stress. Okay, so then, so do not confuse on brittle material and ductile material. Okay, means ductile material means mild steel material, and brittle materials means concrete, aluminium, and cast iron. Okay, thank you.